To his own death, right down to the number, the place which the bullets that killed him. You have to admit, Holmes, that a supernatural explanation to this case is theoretically possible. Agreed. But you can take theories before one has to. Inevitably, one begins to twist facts. That said, I believe apprehension is right. Scratch his own keyhole with a watch sponge. What's that tell you? The man like he drunk. Every time he wound the watch, his hand was slipped, hence the scratches. Just very good. The considerable that just bounces around. See now, there's several sets of initials for the long record mark. Excellent. The stations which are M, H, and H. Madison and Haig. One thing you failed to deduce from the watch, Holmes, I think not. The time. I have to get back, Holmes. They can see me. Oh.
Back in your secret, sir!
Absolutely not. No, thank you, ma'am.
You need to hear what I have to tell you.
We have no need of your lucky feather, gypsy woman.
You want to do with Mary? Brothers, not in blood, but in bond.
Wasn't Mary?
And Mary, marriage. Oh, you listen. Oh, I see. Patterned tablecloths. Oh, china figurines. Oh, lace doilies.
Lace. Doilies. There's no depravity. No bounds. No.
Oh, she turns to fat. Oh, she has a beard.
What of the war?
Oh, she's covered in warts.
Enough. Are there sensitive, please? Enough. Look. Apt predictions for us. Precisely the reason don't mind money. You are terrified of life absolutely. You have my committed. Give me that money! And it has some change in my pocket. Should I look up? No. Don't give it away here. No. I've got to marry. Give her my best. And the family as well.
Yeah, man, that thing is amazing. Nothing much.
Reaction's working backwards. Questions? Towards it. Which is why these ads fight. Yes. This chemicals. Barley sugar. Toffee apple. Let me guess. Judging by your arsonist toolkit, you'll get to burn down and extinguish all of it. Keep what with the boys?
Butcher!
No problem. Wait. Take 10 minutes. envoyé. Si, c'est là, ça. Donc, quasiment. C'est pas mignon, on le demande. Il parle pas. Dis-moi, tu peux le trouver. That I would get to have tea with Mary's parents is beyond me, having been talked into going with you. I've been reviewing my notes on our exploits over the last 7 months. Would you like to know my conclusion? I'm psychologically disturbed about it. Why else would I continually be made into situations where you deliberately told your plan of something? Why else? I never complain. When do I complain about you practicing the violin at 3 in the morning? Or your mess? Your general lack of faith in fact you steal my clothes? When do I complain about you setting fire to my room? The room. When do I complain that you experiment on my dog? On the dog, our dog. When I do your campaign to sabotage my relationship with Mary. Anything you do. Yes. Not are not you, Mary and I. You are not right. If I... One
Hey, what's up?
yes. Your fail and focus.
All the sausage is done.
This one.
Just a piece of the onion.
Right, you're out. Till next time, Big Joe. Always a pleasure, Mr. Hall.
Wait for the taste test. Good. Alright, baked beans are almost done.
We've got time. What is this, some part of the game? We'll get together. I've got a couple of friends here, and if you don't tell me I'll have you in there, Victoria and Albert, quicker than I took these runs. Now clean up and make yourself possessed. Friends and yeah, like a bell go out. Bell?
Alright, time for the taste test of the baked beans. That's good. Wow. It's a lot of different flavors. And what's needed is for this to cook on low. Low heat. Back eye is off. Let's put it on low heat to about 3. And just let all those things come together. That sausage has its own flavor. The onions, the beans, the brown sugar, all that's got to mix together. But that's good. We need time. The potatoes aren't done. Those things are taking forever. So hopefully they'll be done by the time I get done with this next part. Maple. I've got my heat on about 5, halfway. So I want this ham to cook. You know, I don't want it to cook super fast. What happens is if you're not careful, it's going to get really dried out on both sides. So let's take a second to wash this. This ham and sausage and ham, same family, but still want to just do a quick wash. So you guys see that I'm not messing around with any foodborne illness. That's nothing to joke around about. So let's get you back over here on the ham. I'll go ahead and open my pineapple here. Some pineapple slices. Oh yeah. Let's put a little bit of that juice in here for it to cook with it. It's going to cook with that pineapple juice. It's going to be good. I'm also going to add just a little bit of syrup. Not a lot, just a little bit right there in the middle. I'll keep mine in the refrigerator so it's very congealed. Let's see. So now we have our syrup mixing with our pineapple juice. And we want to get this flipped over successfully. There we go, so we can let all that kind of mix together in there. And at the same time, I'm going to throw a little bit of this cinnamon and brown sugar in there. That smells so good. Let's flip that over again so that we get the cinnamon mixing in. Now, oh man, the syrup, the cinnamon, and the pineapple juice. Oh wow, what a great smell. What a great smell. Today was a good day. I hope everybody had a good day. I had a pretty chill day, I must say. And it was much needed, man, because I was about burnt out. So I'm happy I'm on day shift this week, and yeah, it makes a huge difference being on day versus being at night. And yeah, I like it. I like it. Alright, that smells so good, man. I wish you could smell it. It smells just like Christmas time. That honey ham. Woo, that cinnamon. Very hot. It's doing kind of a broil thing right now, but I'm getting that flavor mixed in. Getting that flavor all mixed in. And then we have our baked beans over here. Oh man, they're starting to, everything's starting to come together over here. This is looking beautiful. Normally I would do one more thing. I would put in a little bit of chopped green pepper. That's my dad's recipe. He taught me missing a few things that he generally uses, so I guess I could technically call this my recipe because it doesn't have those green peppers. But he makes it and he jars it and he gives it out at Christmas time usually, or gives it out for whatever, and man, it's amazing. I always keep it and I cherish it until the day I have to cook it, and then I just ask for some more. Thanks, Dad. Oh, I'm thinking about chili. He'll do this too, beans and chili. Wow, the flavors are really coming together. That sausage is like, That's one of the secrets. That's one of the key components. The sausage. You got to put, I did half of a tube. Not sure what they go by, what the actual weight of that is, if there's a standard measurement, but I use half of one of those tubes. A little bit more cinnamon sugar. I say cinnamon sugar because it's like a combo. You could just do cinnamon. I would if I had just cinnamon, but you know. It's forming like a glaze in there. Needs a little bit of this brown sugar, and there will be a glaze. Just trying to wait till it gets to the right temperature, the right consistency. It's very important because you could easily burn this if you're not careful. It's going to do some caramelizing. You have that pineapple juice in there. That's still going to be fluid enough. There we go. Oh man, that's amazing. That flavor is off the charts. I wish you could taste that. Okay, now the sugar is really mixing in. I can tell the difference in that syrup. Syrupy goodness. Yum. And then we'll put pineapples on at the end. Hopefully this continues to reduce like it is, and then the finished product, and you cut that heat down some. Alright, now that, I mean it's cooked, it's got up to temperature, and I'm going to let it cook a few more minutes on each side. Usually I would brown it. Woo! I don't think that's necessary. Wow, what a great flavor. Wow, what a great flavor. Kung Pao. Well, I'm gonna get a fork. I don't know why I keep trying to flip this thing in a stupid way. There we go. Watching Sherlock Holmes. This is a good movie. I haven't been able to watch it very good. I'm trying to keep my eye on this stuff. Baked beans are chilling. We have our. Let's check on.
Of course, she misinterpreted my attention at the time. That's why I find this one just for this one. No gratitude.
The baked potatoes are finally almost done. That's what's taking the longest, man. I mean, it took a minute for those, and so this is done too.
Just don't give up.
We've checked everything's looks like the break in and the butler didn't hear a thing. So, his body in the bathtub, his eyes were wide open, and the only thing missing was his ring.
Can't do both. Put you down. I want to get that juice all over this pineapple. Hell, why not let them go for a quick swim? See what happens when they hit that heat. I've ever done pineapple rings in the frying pan. Man, this cinnamon and brown sugar mixture with a little bit of syrup. I mean, that's a winner right there. It's pretty. Let's do a picture. Perfect. Yeah, I'm just going to let these pineapples take a little, what is that called when you get on the inner tube and you just, the lazy river. Let's let them cook in the lazy ham river right there. Let's flip our ham one more time. Oh baby, look how glossy that is, glazed up. And it's getting up the temperature, trust me, it's been in there for a while. It's going to be done. Pineapple just added a great flavor. Put this pineapple back on top. Wow, that's good. What a great flavor. Okay, so we have our baked potatoes. We have one more thing to do. I'll be back, I guess. I'm out of time on this video. Here we go.